Hello, welcome to this Software Ideas Modeler tutorial. Today, we'll walk through the creation of a roadmap diagram, a powerful tool to visually represent your project's timeline and key milestones. Whether you're organizing features for a product release or laying out a long-term project plan, the roadmap diagram will help you keep everything on track. Let's start by creating a new roadmap. First, head to the Project Ribbon tab. From here, click on Add New Diagram. In the left panel, select Other, and then in the right list, choose Roadmap. In the name box below, enter the title for our roadmap. We'll call it Quick Tasks, which will serve as the roadmap for our example project, Simple Task Management App. Once you've typed in the name, click OK to create the diagram. Next, we need to place the roadmap on the canvas. In the toolbox, click the Roadmap button. Now, drag and drop on the diagram editor to specify the bounds of the roadmap. To customize our roadmap, double-click on the roadmap element or right-click and select Properties from the context menu. In the Properties dialog, switch to the Roadmap tab. Here, you'll find various configuration options. First, decide whether to show the timeline at the top, which is the default, or at the bottom of the roadmap. Another key setting is whether you want to display exact dates or unspecific periods. Choose Dates if you want precise timelines, or Stages for general numbered phases. For this example, we'll choose Dates. Let's set the end date for next year, 2025, and adjust the time unit to quarters. Now, let's add partitions to break down the project. Select the roadmap element and click Add Partition. Name the first partition Core Features. Repeat the process to add another partition, this time naming it User Interface and Experience. We're now ready to add some key features to our roadmap. To do this, use the Label tool from the toolbox. Drag it onto the partition and name it Task Creation and Deletion. You can also add labels using the context bar. Simply select the partition and click Add Label. Name the second feature Task Editing. Finally, you can manually drag a label from start to end within the partition to set custom bounds. We'll name this feature Basic Notifications. In the same way, we'll add labels to our second partition, User Interface Design, Responsive Layout, and User Settings. Need to change the order of the partitions? No problem. Select the partition you want to move, then use the Move Up or Move Down buttons in the context bar. You can easily style your roadmap to match your preferences. For this roadmap, let's apply the flat light yellow style to the roadmap background. For the partitions, we'll choose a transparent style and add borders by adjusting the border width in the context bar. To differentiate the labels, we'll style all the labels in the first partition with glossy orange and those in the second partition with glossy red. Finally, let's add milestones to mark key points in the project. Select the Milestone tool and drag it over the roadmap to set its position. We'll add 3 milestones to this roadmap: Alpha, Beta, and Release Candidate. You can also style these milestones individually. Let's use red for Alpha, orange for Beta, and green for Release Candidate. And there you have it, a complete project roadmap in Software Ideas Modeler. With this tool, you can easily organize your project's timeline, manage features, and track key milestones. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials on how to maximize your use of Software Ideas Modeler.